TV, Bomas of Kenya, Nairobi.
Kanisni ni mapacho kae ndio yanga chike moko mabiro tayo kaka jodolo tayo chenro magi kendo mondo geng jogo matiyo marach gi wach Nyasaye ikelo midhiero ne jopiny. Chikego gin mago madhi konyo gayo jodolo ma itudo gi timbe mag waundu mag wuodo jolemo bendo kendo tero gi kamarach bende. Okang' ma kamano bende geto konyo gengo sirikal kiket chike moko ma kidek thiro dongruok mag sekta mar dinde pacho kae ndi.
The danger of where we are now is that if we get now not rogue pastors, but rogue leaders in the nation, the church could be closed. They could just say, no more preaching, and it can happen.
Let the congregant hold their leaders accountable. When they see me doing to the contrary, let them stand up and say, that is not right. We will not agree and will not allow you to do that.
And they've been saying that in the internal forum, you cannot make somebody believe something that they don't want to believe. You can't compel them. But at the external forum, when your belief leads you to actions that endanger or harm others, at that point, the state can get involved.
Attorney General Justin Muturi opogore paro